Hello, fellow gardeners. Welcome back to the channel, where we dive into all things gardening right from the comfort of your home. Have you ever wondered why sweet potatoes grown in soil bags tend to produce so many tubers? It's not just magic, it's all about understanding the unique growing conditions and benefits of using soil bags. Stick around as we uncover the secrets behind this bountiful harvest. First things first, let's talk about soil bags. These flexible, breathable containers are a game changer for gardeners with limited space or poor soil quality. The breathable nature of these bags allows for excellent air circulation, which is crucial for the development of healthy roots. Unlike traditional garden beds, soil bags allow air to reach the roots, encouraging them to branch out and develop more tubers. Sweet potatoes thrive in loose, well-draining soil. The beauty of soil bags is that you can easily control the soil mixture. A perfect blend of compost, sand, and garden soil creates an ideal environment for sweet potatoes. This loose soil allows the tubers to expand without resistance, leading to a higher yield. Remember, compacted soil restricts growth, but with soil bags, your sweet potatoes have all the room they need to grow freely. One of the key factors in tuber development is soil temperature. Soil bags naturally warm up faster than in-ground gardens, especially in cooler climates. This warmth promotes vigorous root growth early in the season, giving your sweet potatoes a head start. More roots mean more tubers, and that's exactly what we're aiming for. Here's where it gets interesting. Air pruning. When the roots of sweet potatoes reach the edge of the soil bag, they're naturally pruned by the exposure to air. This process encourages the plant to produce even more roots within the bag, rather than becoming root-bound. More roots equal more potential tuber sites, leading to an impressive harvest. Watering is another crucial factor. Soil bags require more frequent watering compared to traditional garden beds because they dry out faster. However, this also means you can avoid the risk of waterlogging, which is detrimental to tuber development. Consistent, even moisture is key. Too little water and your tubers won't develop. Too much, and they may rot. The balance is easier to achieve with soil bags, giving your sweet potatoes the perfect growing environment. When it's finally time to harvest, the results speak for themselves. The combination of optimal soil conditions, air pruning, and controlled watering results in a bounty of sweet potatoes. You'll notice that the tubers are evenly distributed throughout the bag, with very few misshapen or undersized ones. The harvest is easier too. Just tip the bag and sift through the soil. And there you have it. Growing sweet potatoes in soil bags isn't just convenient, it's incredibly effective. By providing the right environment, you can maximize your yield and enjoy a plentiful harvest right at home. Whether you're working with limited space or just want to try something new, soil bags are definitely worth the effort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.